Look guys, here in the so many people. Ma bidor bilai. Uma bidor. Khैनाय sih nama bra. Nari je. Khom goथाव जागोन बियो. Look guys. Layo. Look. So many people are coming to enjoying at this time, guys. Look. And this place is known as Sorolfara, and this place is located in India-Bhutan border, guys. Look. And if you really want to see this beautiful place, then come here in the Sorolfara, guys. So many crowded people you will get to see, guys. Look. People and people are everywhere, guys. Lot of enjoying, guys. Look. This place is located in near the India-Bhutan border, guys. If you really want to see this place, then come here in the Sorolfara, guys. Look. And here also you will get to see beautiful mountain, guys. Look. Beautiful, guys. Lot of people are enjoying at this time, because at this time the weather is very clear and lovely and windy, guys, and clouds are becoming so darky, man. Look. Anyway, guys, thank you. Till then, bye.